Well, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to get the pedals out of the goggleball at long last back to the chassis. I know there's been some side trips where we've been looking at bulb holders and windscreen wipers and yada 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 yada, but you know, these things are all slowly coming together, and eventually when we come to put it all back together, you know, these things will be ready in theory. Anyway, I'm going to have a go at getting the pedals out. I don't think it's going to be too difficult, he says, hopefully. So this is probably a bit of an upside down video, but I've unhooked this cable from the lever, from the accelerator I think it is, or might be clutch, and I've unhooked the spring, so this thing should be nice and loose. Oh, how's that for nice and loose? Come straight off. Beautiful. Okay, so hopefully that will just go straight. Oh, there we go, straight in. Well, we'll go topside and should be easy as. We'll find out in a second. So here we are topside. Where's the pedal? Oh, look at that. And just got to get this out. Okay, spring there. Okay, looks like a thing there. We'll give it a squirt. The squirt doesn't hurt. And I might get the light. Well, when in doubt, hit it. We'll have it ready. Level. There we go. Yeah, so it must be, that was the accelerator, I think. So this is obviously clutch cable. So that can be pulled out as well. So we might as well do that while we are at it. There we are, the back. That's yucky and still caught. Okay, oops, it's cool. He's got hooked on that. I'll pull it this way. Ah. God, man, stuff that falls in your face, God. Alright, out underneath this. This is why this didn't come out. Thread it through. Pull it out. Down underneath the vehicle again, we get to use this nifty tool. It's a flexible shaft on this little socket set. So we just get it in here. Hopefully you can get it in there. It's going to be flexible enough? No. Okay, try something else. We'll try something else. I'm going the wrong way. Going the wrong way, David. Got it. Alright, we go top side again. Fortunately, Goggamobile is small enough. Hopefully I can get my arm underneath. And yep. And hold this at the same time. Oh yeah. Got it. And that's that cable out.